Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel NIM.video subscription. So use the platform's internal settings or contact their support team directly. How you can do that? So let's go here to the top right corner where you have your name. Then go to the settings, and if you don't see here any cancel subscription option, you can go here to this plan which you have, and if you have one of those plan, maybe it's a different window and have here some option of canceling the subscription, and then you will just follow the prompt to cancellation. Otherwise, if you can do that, you can always, here you will see support nim.video. Click on that and you can just manually request a cancellation of your uh, subscription. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the